So I found this dude on eBay and ordered some 3D parts, 3D things from him. I only ordered these dumpsters, which came out really nice. I'm guessing they're resin. And with the dumpsters came these pallets, right? But then he sent me a bunch of other things, some fans, different size fans. Um, a little trash can, um, house awnings. I'm guessing these are like they would go on houses like this, right? House awnings. There's a couple of them in here. There's like three of them. A telephone, a little telephone booth, right? Bunch of fans, two propane tanks, right? Pretty nice. A door, like a transom door with a transom light up top. Pretty cool. A paper box. It looks pretty good too. A paper box. How about that? And I got a couple other things. And in the package was these cutters. I don't think I paid that much for these. I think the dumpsters were $2 for two of them. So all this was $4. And I got office furniture. And what I really wanted was office furniture. So there's some desks. So many things that I have no idea what they are. Bookcase. Uh, a copy machine. It's pretty good, man. That looks good. Like a commercial copy machine. Yeah, that's really nice. A lot of detail. So this all must be resin printed. Another bookcase. There was like 27 pieces or something like that in this set. Smaller desk. Another bookcase. Probably give some of this stuff away. Another desk. I don't need all this stuff. Another desk. Another bookcase. A lot of bookcases. Another desk. Another big copier. Another desk. These. I have absolutely no idea what these are. I don't know. Like I can't even I can't even. There's one of them fell off. I can't even get this camera to focus on them. They're so tiny. I have no idea what they are. I don't know. I have to look at his ad and see all what they are. But they're tiny as crap is what they are. That's how tiny they are. These look like trash cans, I'm guessing. Trash cans. A microwave oven, maybe? A microwave, a computer. I have no idea. Filing cabinets, all different sizes. I'm really surprised it came with that cutter. That really blows me away. I think this was like $14, something like that. Books maybe. Maybe these are books for the bookcases. Yeah, I think these are books for the bookcases. Another filing cabinet. People's. People sitting, office chairs, people working, like at desks, women, guys. A lot of office chairs. Nice office chairs, too. Really good detail, man. Computer monitors. So I'm going to outfit that little building. I don't know. More books, maybe? I don't know what these are. No idea what they are. I don't know. I have no idea what these are. Let's go like that. I don't know. It's got two little, I don't know what these are. Little things on the top. Maybe they go like this. They're small little filing cabinets, probably. Sorry. They're small little filing cabinets, I'm guessing. It sucks that I can't focus this thing. There it goes. These more books. Got a lot of bookcases, so I guess you need a lot of books. I don't know what these end things are. I don't know what these are. I don't know if they go that way, this way. These things, zero idea what they are. I have no idea what these are. Like this side, you can barely make it out. There's a bunch of vertical lines. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if those little things at the top are supposed to be there. I don't know. Another desk. Quite a lot of desks and quite a lot of bookcases. The bookcases are pretty nice, though. They're not bad. They could serve for like shelving in a building too. More. I don't know. File cabinets. Sorry. Little file cabinets. Come on, focus. And more file cabinets and computers. I think these are computer towers. Oh, yeah. And this little file came with. But, yeah, I think, yeah, I can't remember what I paid. But whatever it was a good deal.